My name is Eric Jensen. The Designing Surveys for Children online workshop will give you the tools you need to get feedback and impact evidence from children. It's so important to hear directly from children about what's working and why in your program or activity. Relying only on adults is a really problematic thing that's done all the time in evaluation work. So to get the kind of high quality feedback you need from children, it's important to follow well-established quality assurance steps, both to make sure that the questions you design are appropriate for children, but also that the ethical procedures you follow are appropriate and adapted to collecting data from children. The live workshop will give you the opportunity to develop child-friendly survey questions and response options with feedback from experts, and also the opportunity to discuss your ideas and get other kinds of feedback from other professionals who are also working on surveys designed for children.